Welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to use the vKontacts Google Chrome extension. 1. Intro and what vKontacts does. Welcome to vKontacts. In this video, I will show you, step-by-step, how to use all the main features of this Chrome extension. After watching this video, you will learn how to export WhatsApp contacts and numbers in different ways. Use AI tools directly inside WhatsApp Web. Analyze your WhatsApp chats using Chat Analyzer. vKontacts works only with WhatsApp Web in Google Chrome. So first, open Chrome, go to web.whatsapp.com, and connect your phone. Then click on the vKontacts extension icon to open the panel. 2. Home screen and common controls. This is the home screen of vKontacts. On the home screen, you can see Change language. You can change the app's language to your preferred language if needed. Just click the language button at the top right corner, search, and select your language. By default, English will be selected. Export contacts. To extract and save numbers from WhatsApp Web AI tools. To use AI inside WhatsApp Web. Chat Analyzer. To upload a chat export and see analytics. Now let's go feature by feature, starting with the most powerful one. Export contacts. On the home screen, click Export contacts. At the top, you may see a Last Data Loaded On message. This tells you when vKontacts last read data from WhatsApp Web. You can click Reload. Now if you recently opened WhatsApp Web or new chats and want to refresh the data, in Export contacts, there are 3 tabs: Save Unsaved, Basic Export, Advanced Export. We will go through all 3. Save Unsaved. Quick way to save unknown numbers. Select the Save Unsaved tab. This feature is designed for users who receive many new WhatsApp messages from unknown numbers, such as customers or leads, and want to quickly save them into phone contacts. You will see a line such as unknown numbers in your chats. This is the total count of unsaved numbers detected from your WhatsApp web chat list. These contacts are not saved in your phone's contact list. Below that, follow these steps. Step 1. Tap Export to save. Step 2. Enter a name for these unsaved numbers. For example, customer, or keep the default auto-generated name. After export, names will be created as customer_1, customer_2, and so on. yourname_1, yourname_2, etc. Step 3. Choose Save to vCard and download the .vcf file to your computer. Other export formats are also available: vCard, Excel, CSV, JSON, text with names, and text with only numbers. But for saving to phone contacts, vCard is recommended. Step 4. Send the VCF file to your phone via email, Google Drive, or any method you prefer. Step 5. Open the VCF file on your phone and add all contacts. Important: for the saved names to appear correctly on WhatsApp Web, the phone where you save contacts must use the same phone number that is connected to WhatsApp Web.
WhatsApp mobile app must be installed and logged in with that same phone number. Only then the new contact names will reflect on WhatsApp Web. After saving, refresh WhatsApp Web to see the updated names. Basic Export. Click the Basic Export tab. This screen is for fast exports with simple filters. You will see a segment bar with the following options: contacts, chats, groups, labels, countries, blocked. These represent the sources from which you want to fetch numbers from WhatsApp Web. You will see radio buttons. All contacts includes everyone. Have unread messages. No unread messages. There is also a checkbox, export with prefix plus, adds a plus before the country code, +91, +971, etc.
Then 2 buttons will show: Export All, exports all matching contacts. Export Unsaved Only, exports only numbers not saved in your WhatsApp contacts. You can export to vCard, Excel, CSV, JSON, text with names, and text with only numbers. Advanced Export, detailed filters, edit, and then export. click Advanced Export. This section has 2 steps. Step 1. Extract contacts from selected sources using filters. Step 2. Review, filter, edit, then export. Step 1. Choose sources. You will see checkboxes: WhatsApp contacts list, WhatsApp chat list, WhatsApp groups, WhatsApp business labels, text file. When you enable a source, sub-options appear. WhatsApp contacts list. Options include blocked contacts, only contacts with unread messages, only contacts with no unread messages. Help icons explain each option. WhatsApp chat list. Options include extract between dates, only active chats, only archived chats, include starred chats, only unread chats, only chats with no unread messages. WhatsApp groups. Options. Extract from all groups. Extract from selected groups only. Include admins. Include past participants. WhatsApp business labels. Options. Extract from all labels. Extract from selected labels only. Text file. Import numbers from a .txt file. Supports 1 number per line or comma-separated numbers. Sample files are available. vKontacts will combine the imported numbers with all other selected sources. Tick the agreement checkbox. Then choose Extract All or Extract Only Unsaved Contacts. vKontacts will scan your WhatsApp data. If a number appears in multiple sources, it is extracted only once to avoid duplicates. Step 2. Review, filter, edit. After extraction, Step 2 appears. Here you can show WhatsApp name for unknown numbers, filter by country code, show or hide unsaved contacts, filter by type, common name field. Search bar. There is also add plus as prefix, remove plus from prefix. Each row allows selecting the contact, editing the name, editing the number. At the bottom, export selected, export all results. You can export to vCard, Excel, CSV, JSON, text with name and number, and text with numbers. AI tools. This section lets you connect your own OpenAI API key and enable AI automation inside WhatsApp Web. Enter your OpenAI API key. In the API key section, you will see an input field to enter your key. Below, you will see all AI features with toggles, such as Smart Reply Suggestions, Translate, Summarize Chats, Tone Changer, Simplify My Message, Suggest Next Step, Customer Emotion Detection, Shorten Message, Check Before Sending, Grammar and Spelling Fixer, Custom Prompt, and more. At the bottom, tick. Then click Save and Enable AI on WhatsApp Web. Inside any chat, you will see a vKontacts AI icon near the message box. You can use it to translate, correct grammar, generate replies, and more. Chat Analyzer. Click Chat Analyzer. The main card shows an upload area. To use it, on Android, open the chat, tap Options, More. Export chat. Without media, send the generated zip file to your computer. On iPhone, open the chat, tap the name. Export chat. Without media, send the zip file to your computer. Upload the zip file by drag and drop or by clicking Choose File. Tick the agreement checkbox. Click Analyze Now. vKontacts will read the chat text and generate statistics. That's it. vKontacts is designed to be safe, simple, and powerful for business owners, marketers, and anyone who needs better control over WhatsApp contacts and chats. Thank you for watching. If you need help, open the FAQ or contact us from the extension menu.